Well, hi everyone, and welcome back to our motor learning class. And although our format will be a bit different, I'm sure we'll all be able to gain the concepts and be successful as we finish out this semester. The purpose of this short video is just to go over the changes that I've made for the syllabus. Again, probably the biggest change I've made is that I'm no longer going to require a final exam. I've decided to take out the final and replace that with a category called homework assignments. So during the course of the week, you'll have a couple of homework assignments over the course content for that week. And I encourage you to just stay on top of that and turn in those assignments before the end of the day that they're assigned. And this will count 20% of your final grade. And the chapter quizzes will continue to be the same. They'll be online. They're open. You can take them at any time. You may take them early, but I request that you take them no later than the assigned day by the end of that day. Our lab assignments will be done the same, but now you will have to recruit a lab partner for some of the labs. Maybe it can be a brother or sister, or even if you have contact with someone in the class that you want to do it together. I have pushed back the review of literature paper to April 21st. That gives you another 10 days. Again, you should be starting on that already, and I will be happy to help you with that as we start back in class. Our unit tests, you've already had one. There'll be two more, one this week. And this will be the overview of your course requirements for the rest of this semester. So again, I'm here to help you. My attendance policy is I just expect you to be logging in several days during the week. Tuesday and Thursdays will be our heavy days since that's when assignments are due. But I encourage you not to wait till the last minute to do those assignments and be involved with the class. I do want to encourage you not to get behind, so I do have a late work policy. It's 10% off if you are not able to turn things in on time. If something comes up, if there's an emergency, just make sure you communicate with me. Finally, just an overview of the revised course schedule. I encourage you to print this out, keep it close to your computer. You can see each week we have chapter readings, there'll be videos to watch, there'll be questions to answer, there'll be labs to do, and again, your quizzes. And that's it for the syllabus revision. I'll be back with another short video discussing what we're going to be doing during this first week. God bless. Know that we're praying for you, and let me know if I can help.